In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerShell in Power Automate Desktop. Power Automate Desktop gives you the ability to harness the strength of PowerShell scripting directly within your desktop flows, all thanks to a special feature called the Run PowerShell Script action. This powerful tool allows you to not only execute simple commands, but also handle more advanced scripting tasks, all seamlessly integrated into your workflow. So, let's dive into this step-by-step guide and see exactly how you can make use of this feature. First off, let's explore how to add the Run PowerShell script action to your workflow. Start by opening your desktop flow within Power Automate Desktop. Once you have your workspace ready, take a look at the Actions pane on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll want to spot the scripting group. It's from this group that you'll drag the Run PowerShell script action onto your workspace. This step effectively sets the stage for scripting within your flow. Next, we need to configure the script itself. To do this, click on the action you just added, and a Properties window will pop up. It's in this window that you'll find a field titled PowerShell Script. This is your sandbox, so to speak, where you enter the commands you wish to execute. For illustration purposes, let's start with a basic command. Suppose you want to store the current date in a specific format. In the PowerShell script field, type out the command getDate format YMMDD. This command will fetch the current date and format it accordingly. Now, you might be wondering where the result of this command goes. Power Automate Desktop automatically stores the command's output in a variable called %PowerShell output%. This variable keeps whatever result your script generates. For our example, it will store something like 2025-10-19, assuming that's the current date formatted as specified. You can also make this output visible by employing a handy trick. Use a display message action, which serves to show the contents of %PowerShell output% on your screen. Doing this not only verifies that your script is running correctly, but also allows you to interact with the data generated in real time. Throughout this process, you'll find that PowerShell's versatility combined with Power Automate Desktop's workflow capabilities make for a formidable duo. From running basic date commands to more complex scripts, the Run PowerShell script action broadens the horizon of what's achievable in your automation tasks. Whether you're looking to automate simple routines or dive into more intricate operations, mastering this tool will undoubtedly enhance your ability to create dynamic and responsive flows. So, go ahead, experiment with different scripts and see how Power Automate Desktop and PowerShell can unlock new potentials in your automation experiences.